on now.
Dave, look at that smiling face.
Are you there?
I can see you. Can you see me?
Yep.
Excellent. Now, the reason I'm doing this on video, Dave, is I want to see the look in your face when I tell you that because you jumped up and down, thank you very much for doing so, we got in touch with the head legal counsel.
Yep.
And today I had a phone call with the head legal counsel personally.
Yep.
And when I explained to him what had gone on in your particular case, he apologised. And he said to me that your default will be removed within 48 hours.
Oh, cool.
So I haven't got in writing yet. So, mate, I just wanted to tell you personally, because we haven't done a video thing before, and I wanted to show you. So,
I thought, what was going on? That car's behind you.
Oh, it's my office. That's the main road behind me here. We're in a pretty office at Strathpine.
I like
and yeah. So, mate, I just thought I'd give you the news personally, and
thanks for that.
My pleasure.
So how do we get recognition that it's actually off? We got to go back into the credit rating thing and see it personally.
So what normally happens is you'll get an email from us, and it says, "Congratulations, the default is scheduled for removal. Please allow 10 business days for this. Before you go into finance, please go and get a copy of your credit file." However, because we're dealing at such a high level with I'm due to get a phone call from Senior General Counsel personally to say that the default's been removed. Now, he said they'll lodge the request for removal this afternoon, and that it should be removed within 48 hours. And if it's quicker, he'll let me know sooner. Now, what would normally happen is they will get they lodge the request with Equifax and Ilion. They then when it's removed, they normally get an internal notification, say it's been removed, so they could tell us. But what I would strongly suggest is that you get a copy of your credit file either through us or directly yourself to confirm it's removed before you actually put your finance application in case something goes wrong.
Yeah, that's right, because I don't want the bank looking it's still on there.
Oh, shit, no, mate. Oh, no. So, mate, the reason I want to do this video thing is I'd love to be able to use this as a video testimonial, okay? So what I'd like to do is for you to say to me what your experience has been, good and bad, right? I don't want any bullshit. I mean, I want you to be honest, right? Say what your experience has been. Then when we found that we'd mucked up, how we fixed it, and then that what's happening now, what it means to you to be able to get the loan and all that sort of stuff. How much difference is going on this week?
Yep. That sounds like a long speech.
No, mate, just make 30 seconds. Just whatever you want to do.
What do you want me to say? I'll start now.
Yeah, whatever. Yeah, anytime, mate, because I'm just going to cut out the other crap when we're chatting.
Oh, well, at the beginning I was pissed off.
Yep.
It was taking a long time. Then I rang you, the CEO, and you got the shit done. And now I'm happy that it's off.
Yep. Fantastic.
That it's getting taken off. Yep.
Yes. It's not off yet, so we're clear. It'll be off within 48 hours.
Yeah.
And what is it? What's the difference it makes to what you and your wife are trying to do now?
Well, it'll save us 17 grand a year interest.
Yep.
Yeah.
Now
and I'll probably bring down the risk fee too.
Massively.
Yeah. And it'll drop the interest rate.
And it'll drop the interest. It'll drop the interest rate from 5.3 to 3.97.
Yeah. That's a massive difference. So, mate, what I'd like to do is there's a couple of things we're chasing as well for you that I don't talk about now because I don't want to make sure we jinx it. But with your permission, can I use this as a video testimonial?
Yeah.
Excellent. And what I'd also like to do is if these other things come off, do a follow-up later on.
Yeah.
Cool. Excellent.
I hope I don't get another default on my credit rating again in my life.
Oh, me either. And mate, I hope I never have to deal with you ever again for all the right reasons. Yes, for all the right reasons of you never needing us.
I want to thank you for getting your shit together and getting the people together and getting it done. Yes. And
I actually genuinely want to thank you. We've had several conversations, and I thank you for actually sticking with it, and not just laying down and dying when things don't go the right way. You actually stood up for yourself, and you came to me, and you held your guns. You know, so what's the word? You held your ground, and you wanted it fixed. And then I became involved, and it got fixed. So thanks very much, mate. I really appreciate that.
I should have rang you a month ago.
Well, had I known about it a month ago, we probably would have got something changed a month ago, because systems. The reason we're getting this removed for you is because their system is probably perfect, but the people using the system didn't follow the system. In our case, as you know, it wasn't even our system or our people. Your file fell through the cracks and it got missed. And I have to put my hand up and say sorry. You weren't getting the level of service that neither you or I would expect. And as soon as you made us aware, we fixed it and we got on the right side of the page. But then as soon as we started to fix it, though, we found out that the main reason for everything going wrong was, and as I said, that email though, Friday, just 6 days ago, from TIO saying, sorry, it's taken us 5 weeks to get back to you. I don't understand the impact this has on a human being's life. 5 weeks it's ridiculous. So, so mate, as I said, I've got something else that I'm trying to have happen in the background. I don't want to say it on the video because it's if it doesn't work, then I'll look like a dick. But if it comes off, then I think you'll be even happier. So fingers crossed. Thank you very much.
No worries, mate.
Thank you for downloading the little app to let this thing work as well. And mate, we'll be in touch again soon.
Too easy, mate. Thanks, mate.
Thanks. See ya.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.